Welcome back everyone. This is a big opportunity for everyone. Everyone want to use Kimi K3 model, which is a very powerful model and released just a few days ago. And everyone want to use this powerful model. And Zero posted yesterday on x.com that Kimi K3 is free for 7 hours tomorrow, but it will start the time right now. I am uploading the video, so the time will start now. So it gives 10 million tokens to every users to use for free. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we need to open the Zelo.io website. Open this website. After opening the website, you will see this interface. Click on this top free event. Click this free event and you will see Kimi K3 100% free for 7 hours. Every user get 10 million free Kimi K3 tokens saved exactly like paid traffic, same speed, same limits, full streaming, no balance required. As you can see right now, I am recording. It is 26 minutes remains, so I will upload it when the time completed. So just create your account and get 10 million free tokens and use it and just test this powerful model. So let's check the benchmark of this Kimi K3, this powerful model. So as you can see, this is the benchmark coding, and you can see it is compared with GPT 5.6 Soul and Fable 5 Kimi K3, and it is already top from GPT 5.5, Claude Post 4.8, GLM 5.2. And also come here to the terminal benchmark, and here you can see it is on the second. And if we come to the frontier, it is on the second. Here at the top, program bench on the top, you can see that this is already competing with the top models, and this is an open source Chinese model and released just a few days ago. And you can see here the details of this Kimi K3 Open Frontier Intelligence. Okay, this model. So this is just an opportunity for all of us to use this top and powerful model for free just per 7 hours. So don't miss this opportunity. I just wanted to share it with my audience to just take benefit from this chance where they can use this top model for free and whatever they want. So they can test, they can just fix bugs, and even for especially for the students and junior developers who would like to test and check the capability of this Kimi K3 model. So it was all about this. Please hit the like button and also leave a comment and subscribe to more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.